Look at my poor pumpkin. Welcome to my channel. I'm so sorry, I forgot to say that. I don't know if you've been on my journey with Paisley since I started my channel. She's been having so many issues with her ear. So it turns out that her ear hematoma thing came back. So had to bring her back to the vet and they drained it again. She has to wear that until Monday, that like wrap around her head. But they have a drain in it and then they're gonna put steroids in it, so hopefully that helps. Going through that, and then there's a whole video on like that process on how I found out that she had it, what it looked like on her ear. It's like a popped blood vessel, I guess they called it. But it came back and we had to get it drained again, and yeah, hopefully it's gone by Monday, but we'll see. And I have to pull all that stuff in those like back rooms out. So I will most likely vlog that. That'll be another video. But I just wanted to update you that Paisley, same issue again. And also, I was talking about C4. I used to take it a long time ago before the gym. And I saw on this one YouTuber, I guess they're called like the Dolan twins. They went to the gym and were using this, and they said that this is the best like pre-workout that they use, and it's like sugar-free. I like it so far. I really enjoy these a lot. I don't drink them all the time, but here and there it's like really motivating me to like get up and get going because I was so tired this morning. And they taste really good. This one is frozen bombsicle. I don't know, but it tastes really good and it feels like it's working. But I just thought I would fill you in. Poor Pee-wee. I just feel so bad for her. But there's most likely another cleaning video, and then I also have to run out this weekend to get well, actually tonight I have to run out and get groceries because I'm not gonna have time this weekend. I'm gonna be so busy moving stuff for my family coming in to stay with me. I keep saying that. But yeah, I think that's all the updates for now. I will see you in the back room. Bye. I'm pooped. I'm trying to hurry. It's kind of clear, but I still have a lot more to do. clean out my fridge. I have 2 fridges, one in the garage and one in my kitchen. But the one in my kitchen, I'm gonna let family who's staying with me use that, and then I'm just gonna move everything into our second fridge for us to use for like our stuff. So I just thought I would film it for you. It gives me something to do. Like I've been meaning to clean out my fridge for a while because it's really messy, but I will do that and film it for you. Hope you enjoy. This fridge. Beautiful. And look at the mess. It is a nightmare. I have to clean all of this. Just so much junk. But you will get to watch it with me. Oh, I forgot my freezer too. And my freezer. Yeah. So, I hope you enjoy. freezer. Can't really tell. But I completely forgot to end this video, so I'm so tired. I will just insert this little clip and tell you thank you for joining me while I cleaned out my back rooms and fridge, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!